Welcome to my channel. Friends, how are you? Today video topic is wardrobe ideas for your storage. A wardrobe is a substantial and versatile piece of furniture specifically designed for storing clothes, accessories, and other personal items. It usually includes various components such as shelves, drawers, hanging rods, and sometimes mirrors. Friends, wardrobe offer dedicated spaces for different types of clothing items, allowing you to categorize and organize your belongings. You can neatly fold clothes, hang dresses, coats and suits, and place accessories like shoes, bags, and jewelry in designated compartments. Wardrobes protect your clothes and personal items from dust, sunlight, and potential damage. Friends, wardrobe provide a secure space to store your personal belongings. This is particularly useful if you have guests over or if you are sharing your living spaces with others. You can keep your items private and easily accessible only to you. Wardrobes come in a wide variety of styles, materials, and finishes, allowing you to choose one that complements your home's interior design. A well chosen wardrobe can enhance the visual appeal of a room and contribute to its overall ambience. Friends, with everything neatly organized in one place, you can easily find the items you need without searching through piles of clothes. Hanging rods provide quick access to frequently worn clothes, while drawers and shelves offer storage for folded clothes and accessories. A well designed and functional wardrobe can add value to your home. In summary, wardrobes play a crucial role in maintaining an organized, tidy, and visually pleasing living environment. They offer numerous practical benefits that contribute to the overall functionality and aesthetic of your home. Friends, please tell me in comments about my video and do